Hi, welcome to Log E, a module of AOK. In this video, I'll show you a recently added feature, generating your property book. So we're currently at the homepage of Log E. We're going to look at the Bravo Company hand receipt as an example and generate a picture property book from that hand receipt. From there, I click the three vertical dots that align with BCO. Then a menu will pop up. Next, I click on Generate Property Book. From there, Log E will do the work and generate the property book. Once it's done, you can view it or you can go right into sharing it. In this case, we'll view it. To do that, we'll click on View. And as you can see here, it has a title page, table of contents. And if I scroll through the pages, I can see necessary data such as the NSN, the LIN, the MPO, on-hand quantity, and a picture including serial numbers. So let's say I want to share it. At the header bar along the top right next to Done, I'll see three connected dots. Clicking on those three connected dots, I can share it to anybody in my contacts, or if I scroll down, I can print it out, save to files, email it, etc. Anything I do on my phone. Once I'm finished looking at it, I click Done and I'm good to go. And that's how you can generate a picture property book.